Let's see it.
Oh, that's
Down
dying.
behind.
Eyeballs.
Eyeballs. All right, so.
Oh, jeez. Look at that.
These are sheep eyes.
Sheep? Gotcha.
Sheep. So one eyeball for two people. Otherwise, we're gonna.
Where's my
use
partner?
your Eyeballs.
Partner?
You partner?
Gotcha.
Sorry, Sean.
Abandoned you.
I mean, I'll hold the items.
Oh, I'll dissect it.
Yeah.
I know everybody's super excited, and then you can do it on your own.
I am super
they smell
excited.
Somebody put the small gloves in the large
This is the one you
glove
said
pile.
was. The one you said was like lychee, right? The lens.
Not the lens, the vitreous body.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so however you want to cut into it. So this is the cornea right there, right? This is the sclera, and if you look on the back side, there's some of the muscles, and then maybe that's the optic nerve that is coming through, and they've cut
Oh,
that.
that is cool.
Yeah, so depending on how you want to do it, I like to put in here now, this is pressurized, right? So you don't want to have your eyes open or your,
Squeeze.
yeah, so I'm just going to put a little pop right there, and then I'm going to use my Castroviejo, or whatever these things are called. And I'm trying not to, I'm not cutting through it like it's an orange. I'm trying to just cut the outside so I can leave the vitreous body intact. A lot of juice coming out. Okay, open that
Why
up.
is it black?
Why is what black?
The,
Was that one keep light?
I mean, it looks
Or
black. It might not actually.
Is Mama Shrek? I think Jenny.
that
Oh
one
my
layer that
goodness.
absorbs the light? What was it
Okay,
called?
can you hand me another
It
pair of
does
scissors?
look like a lychee.
These things are not heavy duty enough to.
Want to use this one?
Yeah, thank you. These are Iris scissors.
Not sterile.
Just cut through that like
Like,
I used to be able to make a friend in grade school puke just by
Oh,
talking
I-
about what was in eyes, and I didn't even know.
Ah,
Okay.
Vitreous body. Right?
Vitreous body right here, right? So this is a vitreous body.
Lychee.
Let me get okay, so vitreous body, and then on it, what is that little thing in the middle? That's the lens. Yeah, the lens is stuck to it right now. Okay, and this black part is part of our vascular tunic. Okay, it's the ciliary bodies up here, but if we look back here, what is this stuff right here? That's the retina. You can see it all bunches up like wet toilet paper or wet Kleenex. And it's very movable, and it all bunches up right here. So this would be the optic disc where it goes through at the back of the eyeball. So try not to cut it all off, but then if you look in back of it, the dark part right here is called the what? What's the dark part?
Choroid.
Choroid. Okay, so that's really vascular, but because sheep are sort of day or nighttime active, we might see a little shiny stuff. See that shiny stuff right there? That's called the tapetum lucidum. Okay, so that's what causes the eye shine in there. So you want to take a look at that. So tapetum lucidum, choroid, optic disc, and the hole in right here is called the what? The iris. Well, the iris is the around it. The hole is called the pupil, right? Okay, the ciliary bodies are up here, and then the anterior chamber is up in between the iris and the cornea right here. What is that filled with?
Aqueous humor?
Aqueous humor. Good. Okay. And that's pretty much
Or
it. There might be some
formaldehyde.
old things. And
Formaldehyde.
formaldehyde. Yeah.
Yep.
So you want to look at there and just be sure to identify all the different layers, because definitely this dissection is going to be on next week's exam.
Lovely.
Questions?
Like if
No,
you're
let's
gonna
get to it.
dissect an
Can
eyeball,
Or
can we
I'll have
have
pictures
can we
of
have
dissected.
this?
Yeah, you can take that.
That's
Sweet.
wonderful.
All right. Other things we're doing today. So those are the